Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2022 Dodge Challenger Hellcat RedEye Widebody black on black. So we'll just start over at the rear of the vehicle. We'll have a look at the trunk area. So nice large size trunk here on the Challenger, as you can see. We've got the mats still new here in the trunk. We've got the license plate frame there underneath. Just pull this up. We do have the 18 speaker Harman and Kardon stereo. We've got the tire inflation kit there and the battery for the vehicle as well. So that's nice. Let's go ahead and close the trunk and we'll have a look from the back. So there's the matte black deck lid spoiler with the SRT Hellcat logo there on the side. It's got a reverse camera built into the spoiler. We've got the nice LED tail lights. We've got the reverse parking sensors, and we've got dual exhaust on the back as well. So we'll just shift around to this side here. We'll have a look at the rear wheel. It's got the nice matte black wheels. We've got the red SRT calipers down below. And what do we have for tires here? Let's see. So those are nice Pirelli P0s on there. Over at the passenger side, we've got nice baseball stitching with an Alcantara finished insert, power windows, power locks, and that nice Harman and Kardon stereo. Here's the kick plate on the passenger side, so it's in great shape, as you can see. And we'll pull the seat forward. There's the back seat, nice and new. And I'll put that back in place. And for the passenger seat, it is a manual seat. And I'll just scan up that seat so you can see the condition. We've got the SRT logo there. Awesome. So as we get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and tidy. We'll check out the glove box. So in the glove box, we do have the wheel lock key. There's another piece here. We've got the books up top as well. Just want to check that out. Nice Mopar bag for the books. So we'll close that up. We've got the SRT Hellcat logo right here with the red eye. And I'll just show you the condition of the dash while we're here on this side. Looks good. And let's hop out, close this side up. And I'll just show you here in the mirror. This one does have the blind spot monitor system, so that's fantastic. And we'll just step to the back of the vehicle and we'll scan along this side of the car so you can see the condition. Looks great. And there's your Hellcat logo with the RedEye badge, the front. And here's your front wheel. So again, nice matte black wheels, red Brembo calipers with the SRT logo, and nice Pirelli tires. So we'll just shift around, we'll have a look under the hood. So under the hood, we've got a V8 6.2 liter supercharged Hemi motor, which is 797 horsepower paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Nice and tidy under here. And we have the nice ram air intake there, the cold air filter. Looks great. So we'll go ahead, we'll close the hood. And here it is from the front. It's got the nice scoops there. We've got the SRT logo here. Projector headlights. There's your air intake there. Still got the protector on the front. Looks good. Nice and clean. In terms of condition, I'll just take a close look. There's one little tiny mark right here. It might come off. It might be a stone chip. I'm not sure yet. And other than that, it looks great. I don't see anything else on it. So we have not polished this yet, so it'll look even better when we're done. So I'll just shift around this side here. Here's your other front wheel. So again, nice matte black wheels, red calipers, Pirelli tires, and same thing here on the back. Awesome. So we'll move up to the driver's side. So at the driver's side, we've got 2-user programmable memory for the seat there. We've got that nice baseball stitching. We've got our power windows, power locks, and power mirrors. Cup holder there in the door, little pocket for storage there in the back. Here's your power seat for the driver's side, so power fore, aft, up and down. And then we've got lumbar and side bolster adjustments, and then a manual recline. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks good. And as we get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and tidy. Looks good. And we'll hop in, we'll fire this one up. There we go. So just pointing out there on the hood, there is 2 red keys and 1 black key. Here's the dash. The car has 347 kilometers on it. As you can see, we're using the red key. It's detected the red key of the 3. On the steering wheel, we have our arrow keys here, which work the dash, so you can flip through different pages here. So that's neat. Over here, we've got voice command, telephone hang up, telephone answer. You got cruise control over on this side. Down below, we've got automatic headlights. We've got the dimmer switches, trunk release, and let's see, we do have a power tilt and telescopic steering column. On this side here, you've got our push button start, and we've got our screen. So if we go to media here, so you got AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth streaming, USB auxiliary line in. We've got climate control, so we can turn that on. We can go over here. There's other controls, heated steering wheel, heated and cooled seats. There's your apps. So lots of different apps to use. We've got full factory navigation here. So there's your map. If I put it in reverse, we've got a backup camera as well. And then down below, you've got quick buttons. So the SRT pages, the launch button, parking sensors on and off, traction on and off, some more climate controls. There's your 8-speed automatic TorqueFlite shifter with leather wrapped boot. Nice finish here on the center console. And we've got illuminated cup holders. And there's your 2 USBs, auxiliary line in, and a 12-volt socket. Up top, we do have a sunglass holder. We've got the 2 map lights. We've got garage door buttons. We have our auto dimming mirror with SOS and assist buttons. And that looks about it. So now we'll just hop out with it running. We'll have a look and a listen while it's running. Awesome sounding machine. Love the exhaust note on this car. We'll just move around to the front and I'll show you here with the headlights on. There it is. And I'll just scan along this side of the vehicle so you can see the condition. Here it is from the back. Nice rumble to it. Folks, 2022 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Demon Widebody. Here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.